Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn vowels. There are 5 vowels in English. 5 vowel letters are A, E, I, O and U. A for apple or Allah. E, I, O, U. And finally, you see, this is a coloring book. You can get it and color into these pictures and learn the vowels. This is rain, this is tree, this is ink, this is boat, and this is umbrella. Now these 5 pictures include five vowel letters.